Hello everyone, I am Pramod Kumar, Department of Electronics and Communications Engineering from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology. Today I am going to present reciprocity theorems. Reciprocity theorem states that in any linear active bilateral single source network, the ratio of excitation means source to response remains same when the positions of these two are interchanged. From this circuit, so the sources are converted, this V is replaced by I replaced by V. Both cases the voltage to current ratio are same. V is the voltage introduced in loop 1 while I is current in loop 2. The ratio of voltage V to I is V upon I. The reciprocity theorem states that this ratio V upon I remains same if positions of V and I are interchanged in the network. Prove for V and current I2 the ratio V upon I2. Find out first and then prove that these sources are interchanged or the same result. So equations write in loop 1, V minus I1 Z1 minus Z3, current passing through Z3 is I1 minus I2. So simply solve I1 Z1 plus Z3 minus Z3 I2 equal to V. Equation 1. Loop 2nd, write Z2 minus Z2 I2 minus Z3, current passing through Z3 in loop 2 I2 minus I1 equal to 0. This equation arrange J2 I2 plus J3 I2 minus I1 equal to 0. So minus Z3 I1 plus Z2 Z3 I2 equal to 0. These both equations represent by matrix form coefficient of I1 and coefficient of I2. Multiply I1 I2 equal to V and 0. Find the current I2. The I2 coefficient replaced by voltage source V and 0 and find the I2 value. The I2 equal to Z3 V upon Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1. Now interchange the positions of V and I2 as shown in figure. Now change the positions, voltage in place of current and current in place of voltage. Now write the KVL equations in loop first. V minus I1 Z1 Z2 minus Z3, current passing through Z3, I1 minus I2 equal to 0. This also arrange in I1 and I2 form. And loop 2 also write Z minus Z1 I2 minus Z3 I2 minus I1 equal to 0. This arrange I1 I2 and proper way and get the equations 2 minus Z3 I1 plus Z1 plus Z3 into I2 equal to 0. Now both equation 1 and 2 using by Cramer's rule and write the coefficient of I1 and I2 equal to voltage V and 0. Now calculate the current I2, replace by I2 equal to voltage source V and 0. Then find Z3 V upon Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1 from equation A and B, so that current is same. Interchange the positions of V and I2, that is proved. मैंने इंटरचेंज किया वोल्टेज और करंट को, लेकिन आउटपुट दोनों में क्या होगा, सेम होगा. Limitations of reciprocity theorem. This theorem is applicable only in single source network. This theorem is not applicable in the network which has dependent control source. This is applicable only in linear bilateral circuit. Thank you.